Alhoshe, welcome to Alika's world. I hope everyone is doing fine and it's a wonderful day to vlog. So please watch the video till the end and do subscribe to my channel. Right now Aga is going to school and I'm dropping him. We're on the way. Aga, please say hi.
Hi, I'm at school.
Oh, your friend Luchin, yeah. Aga is going to school. Hi, say hi, say hi. Alaga looks a logini. Azala nikini. Ka. Ah. Hey. Hey. Another one too. Looks like he's having fun crossing all this. Look at the bend. Yeah. Good morning, Bunga. I love you. Ooh, 这只是累。那里陪你。哎。Hi, Alhoshe. Breakfast time. Just dropped my son to school. So most of our breakfast is fried rice. Sometimes it's simple fried rice, sometimes it's fried rice with, sometimes we fry it with egg, sometimes vegetables, sometimes we enjoy it with chutney. I burned myself this morning. Welcome back to Alika's world. The malai which I collect is full. So if anybody wants to see how I make butter and ghee, you can comment me in my comment section. Otherwise I'll just skip this portion and make it for myself. Hello. Này các bạn. Welcome. Hello bên nhà. Hello. Room này à? Cần đây bạn cả. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Cứ bị chuyện nha bag là.
Yeah.
Hả? Cũng怎么个事啊？
Yeah.
Aha, tava na cho. Dress change ba na chwenye?
No!
Yes.
No, can't fix. It's too light.
Ano chpan?
Jason!
Aha.
Winnie!
Yes.
Oh no! Which way?
Mami na kumsuba. Sure. This is how I spend my whole day with them.
Good job. I cook up much light.
Baby Lajue. Baby, say hi. Yeah, I'll come here. Sit down. Oh. Hello.
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 Baby. Hello.
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 Are you dancing? Show me. It's raining. How are you dancing? Dance for baby. Show him how to dance. Show. Show. Baby wants to see you dancing. Please show him. What are you eating?
Banana.
Banana. Banana. Banana. Are. Siapa ba? Cuma ka? Hey, Motu. Oh, flies. Ay, aman, flies si Jaja main hats na. La. Kini na ka. Mo. Imuti number 2 ganyan no niya. And you are imuti number 1. Aga, what are you doing? You made the banana. You want to eat banana? Go pa. Mona, klei chu sno am chu spek no. We're all outside and she's asking me where to put the banana seed, mango seed, because the mango we just ate was very yummy. It was sweet and was delicious. No, it's drizzling. You're not allowed. No, she'll come back now.
No.
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 Alright? No. Come soon. Go fast and come soon. Opa. Kusyanya nongnya. Come inside. Come here. Kenapa? Sino? Taking full advantage of this drizzle. A funga will come now. Keluarnya. Ini nak. Hai, Xue. Peace, Xue. Bye.
Bye.
All fresh. We just had bath. We just took bath, and it's fresh now. Yeah. So I'll wind up the vlog from here, and it's nothing much. Just a clip of how I spend the day with my kid, infant and toddler. Aga is taking shower, and we'll have dinner and we'll take rest. That's it. Just the end of the day. So thank you so much for watching the video, and do support and subscribe. See you all in my next one. Bye.